That sword is cursed!
What's up, kamusta? In today's video, I'm making Finn's Curse Sword, the grass sword from Adventure Time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I first look for an old tape measure. After I found one, I took it inside and measured it. Mine is about 26 inches, but you can also make yours shorter or longer as you want. But I recommend you about 30 inches. I cut the tip of it like this, cut another piece, this time 4 inches shorter than the other. I measured the shorter piece 1 inch away from the other piece. By the way, the amount of tape you use will affect the sword, so keep that in mind. I cut a cereal box cardboard here, measuring 3.5 cm, and the length is as my sword. Kinda massage it and bend, but don't fold it. I don't have a 26-inch long cereal board, so I just tape on pieces until I covered the whole sword. I just cut this piece. The dimensions are 3 by 1.5 inch. Then cut this triangle shape like this. Tape it to the sword. Oh, by the way, I also cut the bottom of the sword. Now I'm adding more tape to cover the sword. I used this green tape I found at the store. I can't find any other shade of green, so I just used this. By the way, I'm only using paper type of tape, but you could also use duct tape to make it stronger. After I covered the sword, I just grabbed my ruler and my pen and add some details. You can definitely use a Sharpie here, but I can't find mine, so I just use my pen. If you have a Velcro, you could add it to both ends so you can strap it to your wrist. But I don't have a Velcro, so I just did it like this. And that's how I made my grass sword from Adventure Time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up to help my channel. Also subscribe to never miss an upload. Comment down below any ideas, whether it's from cartoon, anime, DC, Marvel, or video games. I'll try to make it. Thank you once again, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.